So my other project for this car is going to be these. These are just regular reflectors right here. You notice these right here? Just a regular normal deflector, nothing special to it. I am going to install these turn signal reflectors. So these are going to actually be turn signals. So when you put your turn signal on, it's going to flash sequential. Let's see how it goes. Well, here's how the light's supposed to look. It's a sequential. Regular on, right turn signal. You gotta slap them on now and make a follow-up video.